नमस्कार दोस्तों। तो मैं इस चैनल पर करंट अफेयर्स के कुछ मंथली पीआईबी द्वारा पब्लिश्ड आर्टिकल्स को वीडियोस डालने का सोच रहा हूँ और यहाँ से मैं सितंबर का स्टार्ट करूँगा। चलो देखते हैं। मैं पढ़ते जाऊँगा, ज़्यादा मैं उस पर डिटेल में नहीं जाऊँगा जिससे वीडियो छोटा रहेगा। ठीक है, तो प्राइम मिनिस्टर श्री नरेंद्र मोदी एड्रेसेस द समुद्र से शक्ति इवेंट, इनोग्रेट्स एंड लेस फाउंडेशन स्टोन ऑफ डेवलपमेंट वर्क्स वर्थ ओवर 34200 करोड़ in Bhavnagar, Gujarat. Union Minister of Commerce and Industry Piyush Goyal launches IPRS 3.0 to benchmark industrial parks and boost Make in India initiative. Science Minister Dr. Jitendra Singh announces historical milestone. India secures exclusive rights for exploration of polymetallic sulfides in Carlsberg Bridge in Indian Ocean. So India becomes the first country to hold two PMS exploration contracts with the International Seaweed Authorities. Okay, now Project Vizyak celebrates 15th Racing Day in Kargil with 12,000 crore infrastructure push. Prime Minister Narendra Modi lays foundation stone, inaugurate various development project worth 5,100 crore in Itanagar, Arunachal Pradesh. India and Brazil strengthen partnership and agri innovation through Maitri 2.0 incubation program. The Buddhist holy relics travel to Russia's Kalmykia Republic for a first exposition. Government of India and ADB, Asian Development Bank, signs 125 million loan to upgrade urban services in Assam. Gram Panchayat Bank National E-Governance Award 2025 for pioneering digital service delivery. This is the India gears up to host its largest para-athletic event, and India has emerged not so important. 71st National Film Awards for the year 2023 announced. 12th Fail bags the Best Film Feature Award. Award for Best Non-Feature Film backed by Flooring Man. God Vulture Human gets the award for Best Documentary. Shah Rukh Khan and Vikrant Messi adjudged as Best Actor in Leading Role for Jawan and 12th Fail. Rani Mukherjee Best Actress in Leading the Role for Mrs. Chatterjee vs. Norway. Vijayaragan and Muthupettai Somu Bhaskar wins award for Best Supporting Actor, while Urvashi and Janki Vodiwala wins Best Supporting Actress award. Hanuman adjudged as Best Film in ABC Animation, Visual Effects, Gaming and Comic. Award for Best Short Film backed by Giddh the Scan. Union Health Minister Sri JP Nadda unveils logo and brochure of Global Food Regulators Summit 2025 FSSAI to host GFRS 2025 alongside World Food India event at Bharat Mandapam from 26th to 27th September. Union Health Minister unveils logo, that is same. Cabinet approves DSIR scheme capacity building human resource development with an outlay of 2277.397 crore. Cabinet approves doubling of Bakhtiarpur Rajgir Talaiya single railway line section 104 km in Bihar with total cost of 2192 crore. World Food India, that is important. That is the theme of this, where flavors meets global strategic partnership. Organized by Ministry of Food Processing Industry from September 25 to 28, a flagship international event positioning India as a global food hub. Ministry of Ayush Science agreement with WHO to co-host second WHO Global Summit on Traditional Medicine in New Delhi. MOD Science 62370 crore contract with HAL with Hindustan Aeronautics Limited for procurement of 97 LCA Mk1A aircraft for IAF. Prayas, a first of its kind integrated neuro rehabilitation center launched at AII Goa. सेवा पर्व विकसित भारत के रंग कला के संग, that is Ministry of Culture government is celebrating सेवा पर्व. And World Tourism Day, that is from 27 to 29th, that is Malaysia will host tourism day, World Tourism Conference, and the theme of this tourism and sustainable transformation. India welcomes the World Para Athletic Championship 2025 in New Delhi. India is hosting 12th World Para Athletics Championship in New Delhi. Ministry of IS inaugurates India's first integrated oncology research and care center at AIIA Goa. PM hails Bihar's new Ramsar sites as milestone in India's wetland conservation drive. That is Gokul Jalasai in Buxar district and Udaipur Jheel in West Champaran district. National Biodiversity Authority sanctions 82 lakh for red sanders conservation in Andhra Pradesh under access and benefit sharing mechanism. New siphon powered desalination breakthrough turns salt water into sweet water. Okay, so this is for September month, and the next video will be about the October month. And thank you guys. अगर आपको ये कंटेंट अच्छा लगे तो प्लीज़ लाइक